In this section, I am going to talk about playing with headers, how to send headers to the server. In order to send headers, uh, they can be done by configuring the HTTP calls. For example, if you want to send the headers in a GET call, you can do that as a second parameter, something like this, headers. So something like this. So suppose I want to send a header X access token, my dummy token, something like this. If I reload this page, network, so or maybe if I go to about and come back to home, so a get call is made to fetch the books again because the controller is reinstantiated. And if I show you the network tab, and here down the line, this is the request header tab, and down the line, yeah, I need to refresh once. So this is the tab. Yeah. So here you can see X access token, my dummy token, right? So I'm sending a header to the server. So these headers are basically required when during authentication and authorization, right? Especially during token-based authentication. Similarly, if you want to send a post call, you can send it as a third parameter, like this. So if I add a book now, new book, new author, 12, rating 1. If I add a book, so a call is made, post call is here, and if I go down the line, yeah, I did not refresh, I'm sorry, so I need to refresh. Let's add a random book, add, so this is the post call, and down the line in request headers there is a header which is sent X access token, my dummy token. However, in the get call, if you see, the token is not there because we are sending it in the post call, right? So this is how you can play with headers in AngularJS. There is one more way to send headers all the time. So something like this. Something like copied it, something like this. So in this case, there is a run function. So this run function run once when this Angular app is loaded, and that configures $HTTP. So $HTTP.default.headers.common. So every time this token will be sent in all the calls, right? $HTTP.defaults.headers.common. So from here, every time this access token will be sent. I'll show you. There is an error. There is a missing. Yeah. So if I go to the network tab, here you can see the token, right? And if I increase the rating, a put call is made. Sorry, this is the get call. This is the put call is made, and even in the put call, this token is there. So this will help you send tokens in all the calls. all the HTTP calls to the backend.